All right, day number 25. I don't have rides today, so I'm gonna see if I can get it done in under 30 minutes. No breaks, let's go. It doesn't look like I'm gonna beat my 30 minutes, but I tried. Alright, so day number 25 is complete. I finished it in 38 minutes and 14 seconds, so 8 minutes slower than I wanted, but I still got it done. I'm excited. I only have 5 days left. I have been doing this for 3 weeks, maybe longer, I don't know. Almost 4 weeks. This is awesome. I'm super excited about this, so just glad to get another day done. But I'll see you tomorrow. Go do something hard today. Bye.